Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Today, if I talk about in our village, okay. So my village actually very small village, and I live at a small village, and my village name actually Suapatapatri, and dear friends, this village situated and very essential my village, and dear friends, all villagers and like so many type of crops like in our village in front side, and as you can see so many type of uh, crops, and you can see this is the big field and mustard field, okay, and mustard plants so very amazing quality nowadays, and mustard, you can see this is the mustard flower, look like yellow color, so very mesmerizing, very good color, and I love this color, and you know, you like or not. So dear friends, wow, and this site actually Brahmaputra river, and from here to Brahmaputra river on half kilometer distance, I think half kilometer distance, and as we can see sun almost set, and this sun very red color now. So and now time actually for 20 minute, I think for 20 minute exactly. So dear friends, now I'm standing here, and mustard, in this mustard field middle of the point, okay. So dear friends, nowadays I can't make video like English video, okay. So because my so many problems and my personal problem, so that is why I can't make any video, and I spend some time, I practice for learning English, and as well as uh, I am working like I am a farmer, like farming work, so many type of work. Sometime I go to in our like silly field and weeding grass in the silly field and potato field, so many type of crops, and so as well as practice every single day, but not every single day practice, and nowadays so many problems. So I think that when you are a start learning English, and every time think in English in your mind, okay. So thank you, bye bye.